everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my March Allure Beauty unboxing. So we'll jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do all things makeup. I do really try and upload 3 times a week, and I would love for you to join the family, so please consider clicking the subscribe button. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into Allure Beauty. So Allure Beauty, for the month of March, we see this beautiful, almost fresh-faced look here. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into the products. And so the first thing that I have here is the 111 Brightening Booster, or 111 Skin Brightening Booster. So this has vitamin C that is supposed to be, so I'm reading, sorry. It's supposed to be a formula that is crystal clear, no discernible smell, absorbs quickly, and will help brighten skin. 111 Skin is typically a very pricey product line. Almost couldn't get that out. $155 is what this is worth. So definitely on the pricey side. This is a full-size product. Let's open it up and see. For those of you that don't follow, Alice in the Rabbit Hole did a really nice and very scientific look at different vitamin C serums and how they're stored and how they progress and change and all of those kind of things. The main ingredient for this, it didn't say there, is sodium ascorbyl phosphate citric acid are the two. Interesting combination there, and then there's quite a few other things that are in this. But she did a look at whether you stored it in a clear bottle, in a tinted bottle, on the shelf of the bathroom, in the refrigerator, etc. Of course, in the refrigerator did fare the best. Go watch that video. I am still failing at trying to figure out how to link things in YouTube, so I apologize, but go watch it. It is super educational. Loved the video. It was great. But vitamin C booster and vitamin C or citric acid is in this. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Oh, there we go. So very clear serum right here. We're going to go ahead and drop it right onto my hand. It is very thin. You can see it kind of rolling down there. Sorry, I have swatches from an early video. I should have cleaned that up. And it does not smell at all. Sometimes you'll get that kind of a citrusy smell when you use a vitamin C serum or a booster. I know that's my dogs, I'm sorry. They make an appearance in almost every video. So I'll be interested to see how that works. I am excited by that. I do love this look of these boxes. They're almost like a black velvet and have that beautiful silver, and then the bottle is black as well. It's kind of like a dark blue black. I do really like that. Beautiful. So excited to try that. Full-size product. Not full-size product. So this is the B. Glen Clay Wash Mild Facial Cleanser. It has hydrating hyaluronic acid, squalane, chamomile extract, and is supposed to help leave your skin feeling softer and clean. Full size value, $44. It does have quite a bit of information in here about how it is decongesting clay formula to help sensitive skin. My skin is normally dry, but I do get some blackheads and some weird stuff going on. So I actually will try this because it does say it's supposed to be hydrating. So we'll see how it works and go from there. Okay. Next, oh, and so interesting, they have a whole little card in here about there's a lot to unpack, and so it has tips from the editor, particularly on how to use that vitamin C booster in the best way. And so it says they are super concentrated. And then, of course, apply your products from lightest to heaviest. So cleanser would be first, then you would apply your toner, then you would apply this, which is the booster, your sunscreen, your your serum, your moisturizer, your sunscreen. Although I tend to put the sunscreen first. at any rate. And then you don't want to use it with any alpha hydroxy acids like lactic or glycolic acid in combination with the vitamin C, just because it can make your skin a little sensitive. So they do give you a little information on that card. Next product that I have in here, this is the Mud Masky, and we've gotten a couple products from them. This actually is in specific a serum infused eye mask. So it says naturally dark circles under your eyes. This will help with clearing the puffiness as well as the dark circles. Full-size product, $56, and it does look like this is a full-size product here. I do tend to get kind of darker bluish under eye circles right there. And of course, it is dry skin that I have. Oh, I love a seal. This girl loves when the products are sealed. Sorry. Just makes me feel good, and it's so satisfying taking off that seal and just knowing that you're the only one that has touched that product. I know it's weird of me, but we're going to put just a little bit out on the hand there. That was far too much. It is much more liquidy than I expected. Holy camole, it comes out fast. Fair warning, it comes out fast. Be careful. And so this is actually an eye mask that you will rub all the way around. It does look like it has particles in it, which I'm not sure what that is because I didn't read anything about that. And it doesn't say. It says it has goji berry, but I don't imagine that that's what that is. Well, that's interesting. So just like a mask, you would put it on and then rinse it off. I'll have to do a little more research on that and why there's clumpiness in it, if there's supposed to be, or if that's just maybe the product that settled at the top of the container. But yeah, very interesting. Next product that I have here is a two-ended pencil. This is the Eyeshadow Double Act Shadow Stick. Love a shadow stick. I actually really love the Laura Geller shadow sticks, caviar eyeshadow sticks, whatever you call them. Full-size product, which this is $25, and they do give you a complimentary little Eyeshadow sharpener, which is cute. I do like that. Super nice touch. So let's go ahead. We're going to put it on this arm over here where I do have some swatches already. So this is one side of that. Oh, that is beautiful. That's kind of a bronzy, very shimmery color. That is called Dawn. And then there's one that's Dusk, which I imagine will be even darker. Yes, look at that. The bronzy color is not quite as creamy as the Dusk color, but that color is gorgeous. And then I would imagine you could just spread it out if you'd like, blend it out a little bit. They blend out, of course, with my finger very, very quickly and a lot. Not much left there for the Dawn color, but it is beautiful. And I would imagine that if you took the Dawn color on top of an eyeshadow and just kind of blended it out, that would be a beautiful topper. So interesting. We'll definitely try that, see how that goes. Love that there's an eyeshadow sharpener included. That's super cute. Next product that we have looks like another full-size product. And so this is the Ahava hand cream, mineral hand cream, to help soothe cracked hands, which I love because I do work in healthcare. So not only do I wash my hands all the time, I use that alcohol-based in between washings when I can't always access a sink. And my poor hands get so dry. And I know with everyone washing hands more and using more of that alcohol-based sanitizer when you're out and about with COVID and the pandemic, many people have been suffering from cracked hands. Full-size value, $24. We are going to go ahead and put a little bit out right here. It does not have a seal. And you can see it is just a clear white cream. Let's see how thick that is. It doesn't really smell like a whole lot of anything. That is so nice and thick. Oh, I love that. It kind of smells like baby powder, baby lotion a little bit. I do really like that. That is so nice. Ooh, that'll have to go in my work bag for sure. And very last product that we have in here is by Pixi, which I do really like some Pixi products. Not all, but I do really like some. This is their Pixie Beauty Lip Glow. This Barely There color is this is a full-size product. $14 is the value. It looks like it is a tinted lip balm that just goes on nice and easy. There's the color right there called Lip Glow Ruby. That looks super intense, but hopefully since it's a balm, it will just be a very tint of super there. Although look at my lip, like I'm really one to talk. Ooh! I do really like the packaging. I think that's beautiful. Oh, and it's turned from the bottom, not from the top. That's interesting. I bet once you get it turned up, though, that means you can't turn it back down. Yep, that's what it means once you get it turned up. So don't turn up too much at one time. We're going to swatch it right here on the side of my hand, so we'll keep it. That is beautiful. Very pretty tint, not a whole lot there. Cap goes back on, and I do like that it clicks into place, so you know it's not going to dry out. Very barely there. I do like it. I hope that there's some moisturizing ingredients in here, so it's not just a regular lip balm. I would definitely have to do some research and look to see what is in it, to see if it is hydrating at all. Otherwise, I might pick a different product like that lip oil or something like that, a lip gloss, something tinted like that, if I'm going to wear it around the house or around other people. So that's my take on the Allure Beauty Box this month. I do think this month they did much better. I still would prefer more heavier on the makeup thing versus like a $24 hand cream. Although I love the idea of having a nice hand cream around my house. In a beauty box, I think that I would prefer more beauty products that are makeup focused. But that's personal opinion, and I do know that that varies from different people. I do think much better this month than they have done in any of the previous months. Remember, this is the $24.99 box, so pretty much $25 and change with tax and all of those kind of things. So it is competing now with BoxyCharm, which I just did before this video, and love the BoxyCharm. $226 in product value, and we are nowhere near that in this box itself. Not that that's awful. Well, actually, we had the 1-1 Skin, which is $155, so we're closer. But not that that's awful. It's just they need to keep doing better. Allure, keep doing better. How did you guys enjoy Allure this month? I hope everyone loved it. Drop me a line. Let me know how you're doing, how you're enjoying this spring. Hopefully it's getting warmer where everyone is. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!